Myself Sanket Sudarshan Arugade, and today my topic name simulation. Uh, Introduction of simulation. Simulation is a technique that enables adult learners to obtain skills, competence, knowledge, or behavior by becomes involved in situations that are similar to those in real life. The method of teaching attempts to address problems of real life condition and to discuss them completely after the presentation is over. Now let's see definition of simulation. Role playing in which the process of technique is display artificially and an efforts is made to practice and some important skills of communication through the techniques. The student teacher and the student simulate the particular role of a person or actual life situation. The whole program becomes a training in role perception and role playing. Now let's see purpose of simulation to help student practice decision making and problem solving skills and to develop human interaction ability in a controller and safe setting by means of active involvement in a simulation exercise, a game, or a role playing situation. The student achieve cognitive, affective, and psychomotor outcomes. Students have a chance to apply principles and theory they have learned and to see how when this principle works. Hello. Types of simulation. First one is written simulation. Second one is audio visual simulation, and third one is live simulated simulations. Principle of simulation. Players takes on a role which are representative of the real world and then make a decision in response to their assignment assessment of the setting in which they find themselves. The experience simulated are uh, consequencing which relate to the decision and their general performance. Now see advantages of simulation. Simulation offers an excellent opportunity to learn from mistakes. Simulation fosters critical thinking and problem solving skill. Simulation helps student to acquire concrete meaning for abstract terms. Simulation provides a realistic experience student can easily apply to concepts in the clinics. Simulation establish a setting where theory and practice can be combined. Disadvantage of simulation. Simulation can be made in all subject of the curriculum. Simulation can't be conveniently used in cases of small children because mechanism is too difficult for them to follow. It requires a lot preparation on the part of teachers. Minimum of feedback sequence to choose. Uh, it has a time consuming need for many simulators. Results of simulation to finding of the review indicate the simulation when compared to instructional lecture was shown to have significantly positive outcomes in terms of skills performance and satisfaction while the finding were mixed with self confidence.